Alanya, located on Turkey's stunning southern coast, is a vibrant tourist destination known for its beautiful beaches, rich history, and lively atmosphere. The city boasts a mix of ancient sites, such as the impressive Alanya Castle and the Red Tower, along with modern amenities that cater to travelers. Boat safari experiences. One of the most popular activities in Alanya is the boat safari. These tours typically take you along the picturesque coastline, offering breathtaking views of the Mediterranean Sea and dramatic cliffs. Here's what to expect: scenic views. As you cruise, you'll pass by stunning landscapes, secluded coves, and crystal clear waters. The backdrop of the Taurus Mountains adds to the beauty. Swim stops. Many boat safaris include stops for swimming and snorkeling. You'll have the chance to dive into refreshing waters and explore marine life in hidden bays. Lunch on board. Most tours provide a delicious lunch, often featuring traditional Turkish cuisine. Eating fresh grilled fish or chicken while enjoying the sea breeze is a highlight for many. Relaxation and fun. The atmosphere on the boat is typically laid back. Many tours include music and opportunities for sunbathing, making it a great way to unwind. Exploration. Some boat tours might stop at caves, such as the famous Pirates Cave, or take you to nearby towns for a quick exploration. Town tours. Exploring Alanya itself is equally rewarding. Here are some highlights of town tours. Historical sites. Guided tours often include visits to Alanya Castle, a medieval fortress offering panoramic views and a glimpse into the city's history. The Seljuk architecture is impressive, and the area is rich with stories. Local markets. Walking through local bazaars is an immersive experience. You can find everything from spices to handmade crafts, and bargaining is part of the fun. Cultural insights. Many tours include visits to local museums and traditional Turkish tea houses, providing deeper insights into Turkish culture and hospitality. Dining experiences. Food tours can be a fantastic way to experience local cuisine. Sampling dishes like kebabs, mezes, and baklava at authentic restaurants is a must. Beach time. After exploring, you can relax on the beautiful beaches. Cleopatra Beach is particularly famous, known for its soft sand and clear waters. Tourist perspective. From a tourist's point of view, Alanya offers a perfect blend of relaxation and adventure. Visitors often rave about the friendly locals, the stunning natural beauty,